Drake with Caldwell Banker, Harris McCaney, and Fawcett. And the home that you see behind me is 1120 North Britt in Siloam Springs. It's 1,353 square feet, 3 bedroom and 2 bath. It has a sunroom and sits on a little over a half an acre. Come on in and we'll take a look. This home is a charming 1930s farmhouse. As you enter the front door, you can see that there are beautiful hardwood floors. This is the living room area here. To my left is one of the first of 3 bedrooms. Continue on into the dining room area. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. There's been all new windows installed in the home. You can see this nice bay window. Lets in beautiful sunshine. And some more built-in cabinetry here for the formal dining into the living room area. We'll then go into the master bedroom. Hardwood floors as well. It has a walk-in closet and also a bathroom with a walk-in shower. On this side of the house, we have another great big bathroom that has just been renovated recently, and a staircase up to the 3rd bedroom, which you'll just have to call me to see that for your personal tour. Here in the kitchen, we have an area where you could have some more sitting for dining. And then we also have nice new cabinetry in the kitchen as well, renovated. Out back, we have a sunroom, which is an addition to the 1,353 heated square feet, which is also it has a laundry hookup. And then the backyard, again, it's over a half of an acre, and we have a detached workshop right here in this awesome, beautiful 2-story barn, also 1930s on this side of the property. If you have any interest in this home and would like to have your own personal tour, feel free to give me a call at 479-238-4868. And remember, when you think real estate, think Christina Drake.